Dewalt 20V Cordless power washer. Let's show you some of the different circumstances where you can use this light duty cordless power washer, and also show you the power and output of the 550 psi at 1 gallon per minute. Let's run the clips. All right, so we're in the garage. Our project is complete, except for grout. We have a little bit of dust, thin set dust. We have no hose, no water source, and we need to spray this off as well as clean our saw. So, simple solution. Under these circumstances, no hose. I don't want to bring a hose in the garage, even if we had one. Cordless power washer to clean this driveway. Now we're going to spray off the IQ dustless tile saw. Going to use this so it's less aggressive. So again, we don't want to damage any of the electronics. You tape this off. I would never spray this down with a hose. That's just simply too much water. This, with an attachment, can quickly and easily clean off all the dust and dirt from this IQ, as well as safely clean off this IQ.
Yeah.
Quick and easy, and safely cleaning our IQ saw. And lastly, we have a very dirty screen from demo and build. Easy way to clean the screen. A lot of uses. Now, one of our main usage and main benefits of this cordless power washer will be cleaning off our tile tools and our tile saws. Rather than using or pulling out a big, messy hose, pop a battery in, drop your hose in a 5-gallon bucket of water, and quickly and efficiently clean our tile tools and our tile saws. So I figured out the issue with the included foam cannon with the Dewalt power washer. It does not have any options or settings to dial in the pressure in order to spray the foam like your traditional standard foam cannon. So simple solution, go to Amazon and spend 10 bucks, buy a foam cannon. I'll show you what it looks like and how well it works with my older foam cannon. Again, Amazon, 10 bucks. This thing needs some improvements for sure. As you can see right there in the middle of it, there is no adjusting this nozzle here to build up the pressure. Let's show you what it looks like with a standard traditional $10 Amazon foam cannon and how well it sprays. So here we go. Again, foam cannon connected to the wand, and I'll show you how well this performs with the Dewalt power washer. a lot of foam, cordless, with a 5-gallon bucket of water. So yes, that solved that issue. A lot of you had some complaints about that foam cannon, and I absolutely agree. Did not spray very well, but there you go, solution. Now let's rinse this truck off. Quickly and conveniently clean your work trailer, utility trailer, or travel trailer. Spray it down with the foam cannon, wash it down with the power washer. Cordless. No need for electricity, no need for a hose. Cordless, bucket of water. Well, there it is. Not the most powerful pressure washer, power washer on the market, but more than enough power for what we need it for. Dewalt 20V Max power washer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.